Welcome back to my 25 subscribers. If you are new here, I would ask you to please subscribe as I am putting out new content and I am very excited to share it with everyone. Today's topic is offer to likers. If you don't know what offer to likers is, it's a Poshmark feature that is fairly new and you can make an offer to every single person who has liked your item and you have to give them a shipping discount along with that. There's been some debate in the reseller community whether or not offer to likers works or not, so I decided to put on a small experiment yesterday to see if it worked for me. So what I did is I haven't really utilized the offer to likers before, but yesterday, which was a Sunday, they had like a contest. So every single offer you sent out, you had your name put in a drawing for $100. So I thought it was a perfect opportunity. I have not used offers to likers like I did yesterday. Yesterday I sent out an offer on every single thing that I had that someone had liked. And then I compared that to the 3 past Sundays to see if I had a difference in sales. So I'm going to run over the sales that I had and then give my opinion on whether I think it's worth it or not. Before I started this, so Saturday and before that, I didn't think offers to likers would do anything. It has never worked for me before and I didn't think it ever would. So my sales for Sunday, I have a list here that I'm going to run through my sales. I'm going to give the selling price, the fees, and what I ended up with. And I am also going to give the price that I had it priced at originally when I listed it on Poshmark. So here we go. The first thing I sold was this Victoria's Secret bra. I sold it for $15. There was a $3 fee and the shipping discount was $1.50. So after fees and discounts, I ended up with $10.50. I originally had it listed for $24, but I had dropped it down incrementally, and then this offer to likers I sent out for $15 and someone decided to buy it. The next thing was this ASOS swimsuit. I sold it for $8. The fees were $2.95. The shipping discount was $1.50, and I made $3.55 after fees. This was originally listed at $20. I've had it since the beginning of the summer, so I decided that I probably would have to hold on to it until next summer. So I decided to just lower it, and I kept lowering it, and I sent out an offer for $8, and if it didn't sell for that, I was just going to hold on to it. And it did sell. The next thing was this exhilaration dress. It was like it's like a Christmassy dress. I sold it for $10. Fees were $2.95. The shipping discount was $1.50, and I made $5.55. This was originally listed for $20. No one had any interest in it. I had very few likes, so I kept dropping it, and finally I sent out an offer for $10 and it sold. The next thing were these New Balance shoes. They sold for $50. The fees were $10 and I had a free shipping on them, so the cost of shipping to me was $6.49. I made $33.51. I had these originally listed for $90 because on Amazon they were $120, but they were an older style, so I had to keep dropping it until I sold them for $50. The next thing was this. It was actually a bundle. It was the Saks Fifth top and these NYC shoes. The bundle together was $20. The fee was $4, and the shipping discount was $1.50. So the total was $14.50. This was not sold as an offer to liker. She saw that I sent her an offer on the shirt, and she said that she couldn't believe the good deal, so she came and checked out my closet for other things and ended up making a bundle. So I guess you kind of could count that as an offer to liker, but it wasn't really. Now the next thing I actually ended up having to cancel. It was a Victoria's Secret bra, and it was the size was 32DDD, and I had it listed as DD. So I asked her if that would work for her or what, and she just wanted to cancel it. So I'm still going to count that in here just because technically I did sell it. So I sold it for $18. The fees were $3.60, and the shipping discount was $1.50. So overall, I made $12.90. I originally had it listed for $24. The last thing I sold was a swimsuit with no name brand and no size tag. So I sold that for $5, again because I would have to hold on to it until next summer. And my fees were $2.95. This was not sold using offer to likers, so I have no shipping discount, and I made $2.09 off of it. So I sold all of these things using offer to likers except that one bundle in the swimsuit. Overall, on Sunday, I made $82.56. Now this is after Poshmark fees, before my cost of goods. So October has not been a great month for me. I have not been making many sales. So this was kind of low for the weekend for me, but for experiment's sake, we'll see how it goes. So I created a table in Excel. I downloaded my sales report on Poshmark, and I went back all the way to September 30th. That was a Sunday as well. And on that day, I made $71 in sales and $55 in earnings. October 7th, the next Sunday, I made $0 and I earned $0. October 14th, I made $4. I think I sold a pair of gloves, and my earnings were $1.05. Last weekend, October 21st, my orders were $32, and I made $25.45. So as you can see, my $82 yesterday outweighed every other week almost combined. So it worked for me, but I would say, my opinion after this experiment about the offers to likers, that you should only use it if you're getting ready to get rid of a bunch of inventory and you want to let it go for cheap. So this inventory was sitting for a while. I was fine taking an offer. I actually offered a huge discount. Usually on offer to liker days, people are just offering huge discounts on stuff that they don't want anymore. So if you're getting ready to clean out your closet, yeah, offer everything that you want. But if you just got some new inventory that you like and you don't want to, let it go that fast at a really cheap discount, then do some other things to get it out there, like share it and push it to be added to bundles and talk to your buyers. You don't necessarily need offers to likers to make these big sales. It does help and it is fun, but you're really taking a loss. So in my opinion, it's not worth it unless you really want to get rid of the stuff. And just to compare that to eBay, I had 4 sales on Sunday on eBay, and they were much higher sales, and they gave me a much higher profit because you can't send out offers on eBay yet. So what they bought it for is what I had it out there for. So I ended up making probably the same amount on eBay, selling less things than I did on Poshmark, and the things I sold on eBay were more expensive things, and they were they just yielded a higher profit for me. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.